Hi guys, so I'm taking a quick video to show you how I make my homemade mayo that I use for aiolis and all sorts of sauces. And I want to start off by saying that I absolutely don't like mayo. I hate mayo. I always have. And then when I started doing the Whole30, I saw how many really amazing looking sauces were made with this mayo. And I tried it and it actually tastes like aioli that I've had at restaurants that I've always loved. So what I don't like is the jarred and squeeze bottle mayo that I've always bought from the stores that was probably full of so much garbage that I did not like the flavor of what was added to it. So once I made my own, I will never go back, even for like chicken salad, tuna, all of those types of things. This is amazing. Plus with the addition of some really simple ingredients like garlic and lemon, other seasonings, you can make super quick sauces. So this is how I make mine. It's not the easiest way, but it works for me and I can use what I already have. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use to make it. Okay, so this is literally everything that I need to make the mayo. You see my vitamix, not my toaster, Dijon mustard that is compliant for Whole30. I found it at a World Market, Himalayan pink salt, avocado oil. You use 1 cup of the avocado oil, 1 egg, and then also lemon juice. So there's a lemon there. So that is everything that I use to make it. So they're things that I always have on hand. Okay, so now here is the really tricky part. In the blender, we have our egg, we have the mustard, the sea salt, and lemon juice. Now we're gonna be adding the avocado oil. I just use the kind from Aldi, organic. You add a cup total, but you have to add it extremely slow and leave the blender going the entire time. So I will actually tip the measuring cup down a little bit and kind of just let it drip on the side and go in from there. So it's literally just dripping into the blender. So at a certain point, you're gonna hear the blender start to sound like it's struggling, and it's actually just starting to thicken up. And that's a sign that you're doing it right. So you guys can see my mayo is done and it's not moving because it is actually thick in here. Mine looks a little bit different because I used the stone ground mustard, but I mean that probably took 5 minutes in total. The hardest part is just really pouring that oil extremely slow, and like I said, it's not the easiest way to do it, but it is very easy and it makes a lot of really good sauces and things. So I'm gonna pour it into a container and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, and there's the finished mayo. As you can see, it's not liquidy, it is just like mayo. And I did forget to mention, I usually add garlic in mine as well. I totally forgot today, and you certainly don't have to, but if I make sauces with it, that'll probably be one of the first things I add. And also wanted to mention that if you do not have avocado oil, I did try it with olive oil and it had a very, very strong olive oil flavor and I didn't like it. You could try it, but I would definitely suggest finding a lighter tasting oil like avocado, especially for your first time. So if you guys try it out, definitely tag me, let me know.